Remember the one time we built a Doomslayer armor in 3 weeks?
Yeah.
What if I told you we have 2 weeks to build IGRIS armor from solo leveling?
Now when you say we...
You can't not help me, you have to help me. Now, spoiler warning for those who care, but TLDR, IGRIS is a knight, and after having been defeated by the main character of the series, he gets turned into this cool shadow summon that the main character calls upon. So here's the plan. We're building full-on wearable IGRIS armor, but it's not for me. It's actually for Olympian runner Noah Lyles. He's a big anime fan. So our task is actually to build the armor, drive down to Florida, and give it to him to wear in a full-on photo shoot. Now the nice thing about this is Noah is actually kind of my height. Except for, you know, he's got muscles and stuff. So if the suit fits me loosely, it should fit him. Okay, first, he sent over all of his measurements, and now I'm gonna plug them in to the software, and I'll get like a digital avatar of him. 24, finish. I'm sorry. There's something wrong. There's something wrong. There's gotta be a number that's wrong here. We just put all of Dan's measurements in here just to see if it's the software. Okay, yeah, no, there's something up with the software, brother. What is this? We think we may have gotten it to work. Also, just to be sure, we asked Noah to send over just a picture like this. Dan for scale.
Yeah, but I feel like that's pretty much roughly the same.
You think that's the same? You think the guy with 45-degree angle traps looks the same?
I mean, if we just... You can't film this part. You're not supposed to film this part.
You can't just start shrugging.
These are just my traps. I'm not shrugging.
So, with our correct model, we began to scale things to fit and eventually started printing everything out. And honestly, this probably would have not been possible within the time frame without the sheer number of printers that we had running.
What if we get down there and it doesn't fit?
I don't even want to think about that. I'm printing everything out of Polymax PLA, which is my favorite PLA because it doesn't break. In addition to printing in Polymax, we also printed a couple pieces in translucent PLA for some of the glowing parts. And then we resin printed some of the finer detailed pieces like fingers and belt buckles in Formlabs' Tough 2000 resin. Oh boy, it's time for everybody's favorite pastime, sanding. And for the people that want to know my process, here it is on the screen. But besides that, I'm not really gonna bore you with me sanding like the whole time. I'm not gonna do that to you because printing everything, sanding it, and getting it in primer took about a week. So here's a very, very condensed version of that. There you go. I think I'm missing one chunk and then the handle. I know it! I know what you're gonna say!
You're missing...
No.
One piece! I'm gonna spray this just to see.
Okay. Does it look good?
I dropped it. I just panned down and all here it's just pink. Are you gonna finish that?
Alright, these are gonna be the final touches on like sanding things, and then I think today we have to start painting. How much time do we have left?
We have about 7 days left.
7?
Yeah.
Wow, it's the time you knew would all come, because if I don't do it, then we can't afford to keep making these videos. Whoops. Despite being a woman, I in fact do not have the magical ability to whip up a home-cooked meal with my hands tied behind my back and my eyes closed. Enter HelloFresh, who is the sponsor of today's video and the sponsor of my diet. So I kind of eat like the same repeat meals on a cycle. Apparently 86% of Americans also do that, so I'm not alone. But thankfully, HelloFresh has over 100 meals to choose from each week. They send ingredients delivered straight to your door. You take it, you put it in your fridge, and boom, you got your meals planned for the week. Then you just put it all together, as you can see me expertly doing here. What are we talking about? I've personally enjoyed not wondering what the heck I'm going to eat that week. If you're also interested, you should try it out too by using my code ETEFM at HelloFresh.com for 10 free meals and free shipping. You can click the link below or use ETEFM at HelloFresh.com. Did you get some? My God.
I'm hungry.
It's actually really good. Thanks. So I went to spray the panels black while Dan decided to assemble the sword with 3D glue, which is an adhesive that chemically welds together 3D printed parts.
Hey, you good? You know, you don't have to full on plank like that.
Yeah, I do. It asserts dominance. You wouldn't understand.
This is like a normal clear coat. It's like a 1K clear coat or something. And anything that's not like a 2-part automotive clear coat, this is gonna be kind of the best you're gonna get shininess wise. But if you use automotive clear coat, which is 2 parts mixed together and sprayed with an HVLP gun, you can get stuff like this. So I mixed up my 2 parts for my clear coat and sprayed it in my spray tint. And yes, it's a tint for spraying. That's what I use it for. Now the shadow version of IGRIS glows, so in addition to the NeoPixel LEDs we decided to string through the translucent parts, I decided that a little bit of glow-in-the-dark paint would go a long way. I actually ordered some glow-in-the-dark powder and ended up finding what worked best was to airbrush white around the trim pieces just to give them a little bit of a glow, paint a light blue onto the trim pieces, and then afterwards mix the glow-in-the-dark powder with a clear acrylic medium and lightly brush that on top. I don't think people want to know how long this took. I had to paint it by hand. At first, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be smart about this. I'll airbrush it and then I'll wipe off the top. That didn't work. But now everything has its clear coat. Now we gotta kind of put it all together and add all the fun pieces. He's got some hair coming out the back of his head. I'm gonna try to take some foam and then make a little go around. I don't really know how I'm gonna do this. I gotta figure that out.
Don't worry, we have like 2 days.
What does the rest say?
Yep, less than 2 days.
Oh shoot. Now some people have used wigs for this part, but I had a feeling that would just get kind of gross texture-wise after a little while, so I ended up using tassels. Okay, so these are LED cosplay eyes. They have little laser engraved dots so that when light is shown on them, it reflects out, but you can still see through it. However, the IGRIS eyes are really thin and narrow, and honestly, I don't know if he's going to be able to see out of these anyway. Also, they're going to be white too, instead of pink. But we're probably going to make the mask removable, just in case he wants to be able to wear it. And see, this is mostly for picture's sake, just so it looks cool. Also, side note, I thought I'd mention real quick, we actually revamped our Patreon, and we made a Discord for it, and it's been kind of fun recently. So, if you have an interest in supporting us in ways that aren't the typical, like, watching the ads on the video kind of vibe, you can come support us there, if you want to. No pressure. Anyway. Yo.
Ah! Ah!
Blue? That's a good blue.
Yeah, but it doesn't. Ah! See, it's not fun.
All that work on the glow-in-the-dark paint, and you can barely even see it because the light's so friggin' bright. Yeah. I'm gonna have a seizure! Dan, how long do we have now? Frick, you forgot to write it on your...
1 day?
1 day!
The 1 day!
Today is the day where we piece it all together. And we make, whoa, I was about to say make sure it fits, not the day before. We put it together because we know it's gonna fit. We know it's gonna fit.
I don't know it's gonna fit.
We do things like this, for example. These are the shoes. They were all different plates, and then we connect them with strapping, just a bunch of buckles, elastic, and straps. Oh shoot,
That actually
is kind
grew-
of fire. Oh yeah, no, that's really, yeah. Okay, so our thoughts on the cape. These little spots right here are technically like the cape fasteners. We're thinking about cutting a slot here and here to run it up underneath and then have buckles on the back.
Yeah, we need a smaller buckle.
These are my leftover buckles. A tiny buckle, I do have one. I have one.
Do you have another one?
I do now.
I don't think that's how you're supposed to sew.
I'm not gonna be able to see myself with this.
Yo, no!
Wow. Nice. That really came together. Looks good.
Dude, it's just blue. This looks sick.
Dude, what?
Dude, with the lights off.
Oh my god! Mobility is pretty good.
Is this from the anime Rick and Morty?
Time to cut to 12 hours from now. And it's raining. Okay,
Sorry,
can you not?
I haven't had my morning beer.
So we hit the road to drive to Florida. Our drive consisted of rain, Dan doing the thing where he proves he knows every Eminem song ever,
This is Superman.
Oh, clean out my closet. Oh. Well, you
Houdini.
Houdini? Yeah.
I said it
Well,
before
wait.
you! And being confused at half the things Floridians did.
Burger King. Have it the way.
Do people here just screed in their
There's another one.
entire backyard because they can?
Oh my god.
Like a Top Golf stop sign.
There's not a stop sign.
No, what stop sign, man?
I never said stop sign.
So that's done.
We made it.
We made it.
Is this gonna go well or horribly wrong and it's not going to fit?
I think it's gonna go perfectly well.
Yes?
I'm 100% optimistic.
Okay, good. This doesn't fit. We've got a heat gun and sheer will. We're gonna go ahead and put the suit on Dan so that when Noah walks in, he sees like the fully assembled thing and not it in a pile on the floor like so.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Noah.
Yeah, Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily.
Got something we worked really hard on.
Hopefully it's not too uncomfortable, but I think when you see it, you'll think it's worth it. So.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Oh wow. That's kind of scary good. Oh my gosh, wow. And the glowing effect, and good night. And the eyes, oh my gosh, I didn't even see the eyes. Cape and the cow.
So we've got LEDs all through the
That's all I'm
chest.
looking at.
Every single bit of this has glow-in-the-dark paint on it. So some of these will kind of make the little blue parts pop.
Yeah. You look all stoic. Gosh, this is amazing. And I get to wear it?
You get to wear it.
You ready?
You ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's do it. You want me to do the part where you're not going to be able to see?
Yeah, of course. That's the
All right,
cool part.
cool.
Yes, you're right. I cannot see.
Yeah, dude, this looks so good.
He's a
This looks sick. This is good.
I'll hold the sword in that. Yeah.
No!
3, 2, 1.
Where have we been placing the fingers?
Over here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's 5.
What? No! What do you mean 5? Question. Later, can I race you?
Sure.
I'm gonna lose, but I have to ask.
You want to lose that bad?
Okay, alright, cool. Thanks. All right.
The Hashling, the Cycling, on the road. Road.
CMPFIRASONG song. Sing song.
Squidward.
Good.
Remember when I said race later?
Yes.
Now.
Wait, what?
Now.
What?
3, 2,
No, wait, hold on.
3, 2, 1, go.